Landing a job at Google might seem like reaching for the stars, but with the right strategy, you can significantly boost your chances. First, tailor your resume. Google seeks individuals who not only possess technical prowess but also demonstrate problem-solving abilities and a passion for innovation. Highlight relevant projects. Quantify your achievements whenever possible, and use keywords directly from Google's job descriptions. Next, understand Google's culture. Research their core values. Google emphasizes teamwork, creativity, and a data-driven approach. Showcase these qualities in your resume and during interviews. Interview preparation is key. Practice behavioral questions using the STAR method. Why Euro: situation, task, action, result. Why Euro to structure your answers. Expect technical questions tailored to the specific role. Use online resources like LeetCode and Glassdoor to prepare. Networking is vital. Attend industry events, connect with Google employees on LinkedIn, and participate in online forums relevant to your field. Building relationships can provide invaluable insights and even referrals. Finally, use Google's resources. Explore the Google Careers website, attend virtual information sessions, and consider applying for internships or entry-level positions to gain experience and increase your chances of a future role. Good luck.